Vienna, the cultural heart of Europe, a city shaped by imperial power, legendary composers, and centuries of art and history. From magnificent palaces and grand museums to historic streets that still echo the past, Vienna offers a unique journey through Europe's cultural heritage. In this video, we'll explore some of the places that make Vienna one of the most fascinating cultural cities in the world. Our journey begins here at Schönbrunn Palace, one of Vienna's most iconic landmarks. For centuries, this magnificent palace served as the summer residence of the powerful Habsburg dynasty. Surrounded by vast gardens and elegant architecture, Schönbrunn reflects the grandeur of an empire that once shaped much of Europe. Today, it remains one of the most visited and fascinating historical sites in Austria. The rooms inside Schönbrunn Palace once hosted the daily life of the powerful Habsburg dynasty. In total, the palace has more than 1,400 rooms, although visitors today can only see a small portion of them. Among these rooms, one of the most fascinating stories belongs to Empress Elizabeth of Austria, better known as Sisi. Famous for her beauty and free spirit, Sisi never felt completely comfortable with the strict rules of imperial court life, and often chose to travel far away from Vienna. Even so, Schönbrunn remained one of the most important places in her life and continues to be closely connected to her story. As we walk up through the Schönbrunn Gardens, we're heading toward one of the palace's most impressive structures, the Gloriette. Built in the 18th century, this monument was designed to symbolize the power of the Habsburg Empire. Today, it offers one of the most beautiful views over Schönbrunn Palace and its gardens. Walking through the heart of Vienna, the city feels alive with history and elegance. Grand streets, classic architecture, and the quiet rhythm of daily life surround us. And just ahead, one of Vienna's most iconic landmarks comes into view, St. Stephen's Cathedral. Standing in front of St. Stephen's Cathedral, it's easy to understand why it's so iconic. Dating back to the 12th century, this cathedral has been at the heart of Vienna for generations. Its Gothic design and overall presence make it one of the most recognizable landmarks in the city. But more than that, this place has witnessed centuries of Viennese life, from royal ceremonies to everyday moments. It's not just a building, it's a symbol of Vienna. Stepping back into the streets, Vienna's elegance continues to unfold. After a short walk and a quick break, We find ourselves right in the heart of the city, in front of the Hofburg Palace, once the center of power for the Habsburg dynasty. For centuries, this grand complex was home to emperors, and today, with its museums, palaces, and cultural spaces, it remains one of the most important historical landmarks in Vienna. It almost feels like an open-air museum, reflecting the city's imperial past. Right next to the Hofburg Palace stands one of Vienna's most breathtaking spaces, the State Hall of the Austrian National Library. Since exploring Vienna's cultural landmarks wouldn't be complete without it, we step inside. Built in the 18th century, this stunning Baroque library is considered one of the most beautiful in Europe. Home to over 200,000 historic books, many of them centuries old, it's not just a library, it's a place where knowledge, history, and art come together. What makes it truly special is its incredible scale and atmosphere. From the grand frescoed ceiling to the endless rows of books, every detail feels almost unreal. If you're visiting Vienna, this is definitely one place you shouldn't miss. As we move through the city, Vienna begins to reveal a different side of itself, one shaped by art and centuries of history. This is where the Kunsthistorisches Museum stands. Home to an extraordinary art collection, it's considered one of the most important museums in the world. Inside, it quickly becomes clear that this is far more than just a museum. Opened in 1891 to showcase the Habsburgs' vast art collection, it brings together some of the most important works in European history, with masterpieces by artists like Raphael, Caravaggio, and Vermeer. What makes it truly special is the depth of its collection, offering a rare glimpse into centuries of art, culture, and power. It's not just about individual paintings, it's about understanding how art shaped an entire era. Right next to the museum, the Wiener Eistraum brings a completely different energy to the city. Set in front of the Vienna City Hall, this iconic winter event turns the square into a lively ice skating scene. With music playing, lights glowing, and people of all ages out on the ice, the atmosphere feels incredibly vibrant. It's one of those moments where you can really feel the city come alive, where Vienna effortlessly blends its rich history with the energy of modern life. Vienna is a city where culture isn't just preserved, it's lived every single day. From grand museums and historic landmarks to music, art, and everyday life, everything feels deeply connected to its past. And that's what makes Vienna so special. It's not just about what you see, it's about what you feel while being here. If you enjoyed exploring Vienna with us, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cinematic travel guides, and we'll see you in the next journey.